Have you ever looked up and seen a buzzing machine zipping through the sky? That little marvel is changing the world as we know it. Drones are everywhere these days, and their presence is only growing. Whether you're in a bustling city or a quiet countryside, chances are you'll spot one soaring above, capturing the world from a whole new angle. That's a drone, one of the coolest inventions of our time. From tiny toys that fit in your palm to advanced machines used by professionals, drones come in all shapes and sizes. They've become a favorite gadget for hobbyists, tech enthusiasts, and even kids who dream of piloting their own flying robot. These flying robots are more than just toys. They're powerful tools that explore, help, and create. Drones are now essential in industries like filmmaking, where they capture stunning aerial shots, and in construction, where they survey sites from above. They're even delivering packages and providing vital support in emergencies. Drones, or UAVs, have exploded in popularity because their technology is now smaller, smarter, and more affordable. Thanks to rapid advances in electronics and design, almost anyone can own and operate a drone. Communities of drone pilots are popping up everywhere, sharing tips, tricks, and their latest aerial adventures. Imagine seeing the world from a bird's eye view. Drones make that possible, capturing breathtaking photos and videos. They let us explore places we could never reach on foot, from the tops of mountains to the heart of bustling cities. With a drone, you can become an explorer, a filmmaker, or even a scientist, all from the ground. But how do they fly so precisely? It's a mix of clever engineering, lightweight materials, and a smart electronic brain. Inside every drone is a network of sensors, gyroscopes, and GPS modules, all working together to keep it stable and responsive. The propellers are designed for maximum lift with minimal weight, and the onboard computer makes split-second decisions to keep the drone on course. In this video, we'll break down what makes drones tick, from their physical parts to the invisible forces that guide them. We'll explore the science behind their flight, the technology that keeps them steady, and the innovations that make them smarter every year. We'll see how drones are transforming industries and even saving lives. From helping farmers monitor crops to assisting rescue teams in dangerous situations, drones are proving to be invaluable partners. They're inspecting wind turbines, mapping disaster zones, and even delivering medicine to remote areas. And we'll peek into the future to imagine what's next for these flying wonders. With new breakthroughs in artificial intelligence and battery technology, tomorrow's drones could be even more autonomous, efficient, and creative. The possibilities are as limitless as our imagination. The sky is no longer the limit, it's just the beginning. As drones continue to evolve, they'll open up new opportunities for exploration, creativity, and connection across the globe. Get ready to unlock the secrets of drone technology. Let's dive in and discover how these incredible machines are shaping our world. Let's start by exploring the essential parts that make a drone take to the skies. Drones may look simple from the outside, but inside, they're a marvel of engineering, with each component playing a crucial role in flight. The frame is the skeleton of the drone. It's usually crafted from lightweight yet incredibly strong materials like carbon fiber or reinforced plastic. This design keeps the drone light enough to fly, but tough enough to survive bumps and crashes. Extending from the frame are the arms, which reach out like branches. These arms hold the motors and propellers at just the right distance for balance and stability. Most drones use an X's shape, which helps distribute weight evenly and improves maneuverability. Most consumer drones are quadcopters, meaning they have 4 motors and 4 propellers. This setup is popular because it offers a great balance of lift, control, and efficiency, making it easier to fly and more stable in the air. The propellers spin at high speeds, slicing through the air. As they rotate, they push air downwards, creating lift that allows the drone to rise off the ground. By adjusting the speed of each propeller, the drone can move in any direction or hover in place. At the heart of the drone is the flight controller, a tiny but powerful computer. This is the drone's brain, responsible for translating your commands from the remote control into precise motor actions. It's what makes flying a drone feel smooth and intuitive. The flight controller is constantly at work, making rapid adjustments to the motor's speeds. This keeps the drone stable, even in windy conditions, and ensures it responds instantly to your inputs. To help it navigate and stay balanced, the drone relies on a suite of tiny sensors. These include GPS for location tracking, accelerometers to measure movement, and gyroscopes to detect rotation. Together, they act as the drone's eyes and ears, sensing the world around it. All the data from these sensors is sent straight to the flight controller. This information helps the drone maintain perfect balance, follow your instructions, and even perform complex maneuvers automatically. When you put it all together, the frame, arms, motors, propellers, flight controller, and sensors, you get a sophisticated flying machine. Each part is essential, and they all work in harmony to deliver a smooth, controlled flight experience. That's the basic anatomy of a drone. Understanding these parts is the first step to mastering how drones work and appreciating the technology inside. Next, let's dive deeper and see how all these components work together to create such smooth, stable flight. Ready to see the magic in action? How do drones hover so steadily, even in the wind? It's all about their flight control system. The gyroscope senses tilts and rotations, instantly alerting the flight controller to correct them. The accelerometer tracks movement in all directions, helping the drone stay put or move smoothly. These sensors send constant feedback, allowing the controller to make rapid adjustments. Outdoors, GPS lets drones know their exact location, and enables features like return to home. With GPS, drones can even follow pre-programmed paths for mapping or surveying. All this data is managed by a clever algorithm called a PID controller, which makes precise, smooth corrections. The result? Drones that fly exactly as you command without wobbling or drifting. It's not magic, it's smart engineering. That's how drones achieve their signature smooth flight. Drones aren't just for fun. They're transforming industries everywhere. In photography and filmmaking, drones capture stunning aerial shots that once required helicopters. For mapping and surveying, drones quickly create detailed 3D maps of farms, construction sites, and landscapes. They inspect dangerous structures like wind turbines and power lines, keeping workers safe on the ground. In emergencies, drones assess disaster zones, locate survivors, and deliver medical supplies to hard-to-reach places. With thermal cameras, they can even spot people through smoke or darkness. Drones are now essential tools for professionals, making our world safer and more efficient. Their impact is only growing. Let's see what's powering their next leap forward. Artificial intelligence is taking drones to the next level. With AI, drones can recognize objects, like weeds in a field or people in a search area, making them smarter and more efficient. AI-powered drones analyze video feeds in real time, spotting things humans might miss. They can plan and complete missions autonomously, adjusting to obstacles or changing weather on the fly. In cities, AI helps drones distinguish between moving cars and pedestrians, making them safer in busy environments. This intelligence transforms drones from simple tools into partners that solve complex problems. The future of drones is smart, adaptable, and autonomous. Let's explore how they avoid obstacles all on their own. Avoiding crashes is crucial for drones, and obstacle avoidance tech makes it possible. Modern drones use cameras, infrared, and ultrasonic sensors to scan their surroundings in real time. The flight controller processes this data, mapping obstacles and plotting safe paths. Basic systems stop the drone if something's in the way. Advanced ones reroute automatically. This tech is vital for autonomous missions, letting drones react to birds, buildings, or sudden changes. AI-powered avoidance means drones can safely navigate forests, cities, and unpredictable environments. It's a game-changer for reliability and safety. Now imagine what happens when hundreds of drones work together. What's more impressive than one drone? A swarm, hundreds flying in perfect sync. Drone swarms communicate and coordinate, acting as a single unit to achieve big goals. Inspired by flocks of birds, each drone follows simple rules and shares data with its neighbors. Swarms can change shape, avoid obstacles, and split up to cover more ground. In entertainment, they create dazzling light shows, forming shapes and animations in the sky. In search and rescue, swarms can scan vast areas quickly and efficiently. In agriculture, they can map or even plant entire fields together. Swarm intelligence is unlocking new possibilities in logistics, monitoring, and more. When drones work together, their potential multiplies. The future is truly collaborative. The drone revolution is just beginning. What we see today is only a glimpse of what's possible in the near future. Drones are evolving rapidly, and their impact on our daily lives is set to grow in ways we can barely imagine. Soon, fully autonomous drones will handle complex missions, like inspecting every bridge in a city, without human help. These drones will use advanced AI to detect problems, monitor infrastructure, and even make repairs, all while working around the clock. Unmanned traffic management systems will keep skies safe, coordinating thousands of drones like air traffic control. These digital systems will prevent collisions, manage flight paths, and ensure that drones of all types can share the airspace safely and efficiently. We'll see tiny drones pollinating crops, monitoring plant health, and helping farmers grow more food with fewer resources. In agriculture, drones will become essential partners, working alongside humans to boost yields and protect the environment. Passenger drones will soon whisk commuters over traffic jams, transforming urban transportation. Imagine a future where you can book an air taxi and soar above the city, reaching your destination in minutes instead of hours. And medical drones will deliver life-saving aid in minutes, reaching remote or congested areas faster than any ambulance. These flying couriers will carry medicines, blood, and emergency supplies, making healthcare more accessible for everyone. Drones will connect with smart sensors and networks, becoming part of the Internet of Things. They'll gather data, communicate with other devices, and help cities run more smoothly and efficiently. They'll respond automatically to real-world events like a farm sensor triggering a drone to water dry soil, or a security system dispatching a drone to investigate an alarm. This real-time responsiveness will make drones invaluable in countless industries. With 5G and cloud computing, drones will be faster, smarter, and more connected than ever. High-speed networks will allow drones to process information instantly, collaborate with each other, and adapt to changing conditions on the fly. The possibilities are endless, and innovators are just getting started. Every day, new breakthroughs are pushing the boundaries of what drones can do, from disaster response to entertainment and beyond. The sky is only the beginning. As technology advances, drones may even help us explore the oceans, outer space, and places we've never been before. Let's take a final look at what makes drones so extraordinary: their ability to innovate, adapt, and inspire a new era of possibility. Drones are more than buzzing gadgets. They're a marvel of science and creativity. From their elegant frames to their AI-powered brains, every part works in harmony. Drones are already making our world safer, more efficient, and more connected. With each advancement, they become smarter partners, helping us explore, create, and solve problems. The future holds even greater promise as drones integrate seamlessly into our lives. Next time you see a drone, remember the technology and potential it carries. The story of drones is a story of human ingenuity and imagination. Keep looking up. The adventure is just beginning.